Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix if your Snapchat account is temporarily disabled. So guys, if you have given your password and your password is wrong and you try to log in your account too many times, then your account will be locked or your account will be temporarily disabled and you can face this type of errors. Okay guys, if you want to get rid of these errors, if you want to log in your account, then you have to close this page from here. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings. So from here you have to go to app management and just simply you have to open app settings, and from here you have to search for Snapchat. Now from here you have to clear cache or clear storage of the app and try to log in your account, and hopefully you can log in your account. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to wait some hours, and after that hopefully you can log in your account. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that you are using latest version of Snapchat app, and after that try to log in your account. If it's still not working, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open Snapchat app and just simply you have to try to forget your password and try to reset your password, and you have to put your new password that you have reset, and hopefully you can log in your account. If it's still not working for you guys, then you have to open any browser in your phone and just simply you have to search for Snapchat support and wait some second, then tap on Snapchat support again and wait some second, and just simply you have to tap on my account is compromised, and you have to select I can't access to my account. Now from here guys, you have to tap on I forgot my password, and just simply you have to wait some second, and from here you have to put your username, and here you have to put your email address which is associated with your Snapchat account, and here you have to put the phone number. You can put phone number from here. So here you have to write this one, so I have already copied and given in the description as well. And from here you have to make sure that you're a human, and just simply you have to submit your request, and you have to wait some hours and you can easily log in your account. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.